Asanteni sana.
Thiko mirongo itandatu mbere ya githurano kinene, mutongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee Uhuru Kenyatta na murunawe kuma ngwataniro ya NASA no mathiete na mbere na kumatha kura ituri-ini itiganite cia bururi. Othe mari na mwihoko munene ati ni makayukia uhotani. No agikorwo uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni gikundi kia African Electoral Observation Group ni wa kwihoko, mutongoria wa ihinda riri Uhuru Kenyatta no aheo kanya ga keri ga gutongoria bururi. Uthuthuria ucio uronania Uhuru Kenyatta ari na gicunji kia 51 hari igana, na kia mung'ethaniri wake wa hakuhi Raila Odinga ari na gicunji kia 39. No na kuri ogwo uthuthuria ucio ni wonanĩtie gicunji kia 0.7 hari igana kiugite no githure muhoneri giturwo ungi tiga Uhuru Kenyatta na Raila Odinga. Hindi ya uthuthuria ucio wa kuruhani gicunji kia 54 hari igana kia arume na gicunji kia 46 kia atumia, uronania ati gicunji kia 28 hari igana kiugite ati no kigomere githurano kinene agikorwo ngwataniro ya NASA ni kuhingia mukana wayo wa kugomera.
Will you participate in the election boycott if it was called? So we had slightly above 10% saying they don't know yet. We had an overwhelming 60% who said no, they won't participate on an election boycott, and we had about 28% who said yes, they will participate in an election boycott if one was called. Now on to the regional spread on those who said yes to the boycott. In the Rift Valley we had about 4%. The other regions, let me go to the others. About 2% in Central, about 21% in Lower Eastern, slightly below 20% in Western, and an overwhelming about 44% in Nyanza.
Nakio gicunji kia 62 hari igana kirauga ati itanya inene rio ria guthurana ni gucenjia maundu maria magumeire matura-ini. Nakio gicunji kia 16 hari igana gikauga ati itanya inene ria guikia kura ni gucenjia maundu maria marahanika ngatheti-ini ya bururi. Uthuthuria ucio ningi ni wonanĩtie ati cigo iria iri na arũmĩrĩri aingĩ a kiama kia Jubilee na banene ya andu ni kiayumiria guikia kura ukiringithanio na icigo iria iranyita mwoho wa NASA baru. Uthuthuria ucio wekitwo kuri Akenya 1880. Giribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.